Welcome, dear LuSHiners. I'm so glad you're here today, choosing to explore something truly beautiful. Loving kindness meditation. Maybe you've heard the term before. Maybe it sounds a little mysterious. Or perhaps you're wondering how it's different from other kinds of meditation you've tried. Well, this episode is your gentle introduction, your friendly guide, your warm invitation to understand and experience what loving kindness meditation really is. Before we dive in, I invite you to take a slow, deep breath with me. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel your body settle into your chair or your cushion. Let your shoulders drop. And as you listen, allow yourself to be open to a new kind of kindness. One that starts right where you are, with you. What is loving kindness meditation? Loving kindness meditation, sometimes called Metta, a word from an ancient language called Pali, is a simple yet powerful practice of opening the heart and wishing well-being, happiness, and peace for yourself and others. This practice has been around for over 2,500 years, originating in the Buddhist tradition, but its message is universal. Anyone, anywhere, can practice it, regardless of beliefs or background. At its core, loving kindness meditation is about cultivating goodwill, a warm, friendly feeling toward yourself, and then extending that feeling outward to others. It's different from other meditation forms that might focus only on concentration or mindfulness. Here, you actively invite feelings of kindness, compassion, and goodwill, like watering a seed that grows into a flourishing garden of warmth. Why practice loving kindness meditation? So, why do people practice loving kindness meditation? Because kindness, real kindness, has the power to transform our relationship with ourselves and the world around us. Let me share a quick story. A friend of mine, let's call her Sarah, struggled with harsh self-criticism for years. She was kind to others, but rarely to herself. One day, after hearing about loving kindness meditation, she started a daily practice. Just 5 minutes at first. Sending herself simple wishes like, "May I be safe. May I be happy." After a few weeks, Sarah noticed something remarkable. She was less caught up in negative self-talk, and small moments of joy started to feel bigger. She even found herself being more patient and gentle with her teenage daughter. This kind of change, from the inside out, is exactly why loving kindness meditation is so powerful. And it's not just personal stories. Science backs this up. In a study published in Psychological Science, researchers found that just 7 weeks of daily loving kindness meditation significantly increased participants' positive emotions, life satisfaction, and social connection. Another study in psychosomatic medicine showed that loving kindness meditation can reduce physical pain and symptoms of depression. So, when you practice loving kindness meditation, you're not only nurturing your heart, but also helping your brain and body function in healthier, happier ways. A taste of loving kindness meditation. Let's take a moment right now to try a simple loving kindness practice together. Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes if that feels good to you. And if you'd like, gently place your hand over your chest. A gentle reminder of kindness and warmth toward yourself. bring your attention gently inward. Repeat these phrases silently or softly to yourself. May I be safe.
May I be safe.
May I be happy.
May I be happy.
May I be healthy.
May I be healthy.
May I live with ease.
May I live with ease.
Notice if you can let a feeling of warmth or care rest with these words. Whenever you're ready, you can softly open your eyes, or simply bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wherever you are, gently returning your attention. That simple moment of kindness toward yourself is the seed that loving kindness meditation helps us nurture and grow. Now, let's explore more about how this beautiful practice works, why it's so powerful, and how you can begin your own journey. Common misunderstandings about loving kindness meditation. Before we go further, let's clear up some common misconceptions about loving kindness meditation. First, it's not about forcing yourself to like everyone. It's not a practice in pretending or ignoring your real feelings. Second, it doesn't mean excusing harmful behavior or tolerating abuse. Kindness doesn't mean letting yourself be treated poorly or losing your boundaries. Third, it's not about perfection or instant transformation. It's a practice, a journey that unfolds gently over time. So, if you're feeling resistance or skepticism, that's normal and okay. This practice meets you wherever you are. How does loving kindness meditation work? At first, loving kindness meditation might feel a little strange. Repeating the same phrases over and over, trying to summon feelings of kindness when your mind feels busy or your heart feels guarded. But this repetition is like training a muscle. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to connect with warmth and goodwill. Typically, the practice expands in circles or stages. First, kindness is directed inward to yourself. Then it moves to people you love. Friends, family, mentors. Next, to people you feel neutral about, acquaintances or strangers. Then, to those you find difficult or challenging. And finally, to all beings, without limit. Each circle gently widens your heart's capacity for compassion. The science of loving kindness. Modern science has shown fascinating benefits to this ancient practice. For example, a 2013 study by neuroscientist Tonya Singer found that practicing loving-kindness meditation activates brain regions related to empathy and positive emotions. Another study, published in Social, Cognitive, and Affective Neuroscience, linked regular practice to increased gray matter density in areas responsible for emotional regulation. On the physical side, research published in Psychosomatic Medicine demonstrated that loving-kindness practice can reduce inflammation markers in the body, which are linked to stress and disease. Challenges you might face. Loving-kindness meditation is gentle, but it's not always easy. Many people feel awkward or fake at first, especially when directing kindness toward themselves. Old critical voices might whisper doubts or resistance. Some find it challenging to include difficult people without feeling overwhelmed or angry. That's normal. It's okay to move slowly, If a particular phrase or person feels too much, return your focus to yourself or to neutral people until you feel steady. Consistency, even in small daily doses, helps build the practice without pressure. The stages of loving kindness. There's a natural progression many people experience as they develop this practice. 1. Starting with yourself, planting the seeds of self-compassion. 2. Feeling the warmth deepen toward yourself. 3. Extending kindness to loved ones. 4. Including neutral people. 5. Reaching out to difficult people with compassion. 6. Radiating boundless loving kindness to all beings. Each stage builds on the last, creating a sturdy, loving foundation. Invitation to begin your journey. If you're feeling curious, maybe even a little excited, I want to warmly invite you to take the first step. On the TranquiLush Meditation channel, we have a full series called The Loving Kindness Journey. And Stage 1, Planting the Seeds, Loving Kindness for Yourself, is the perfect place to start. This guided meditation gently introduces you to sending kindness inward, helping you build a steady, nurturing practice. It's simple, accessible, and safe. The foundation for everything that follows. If this introduction resonated with you, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing to TranquiLush Meditation. That way, you won't miss any new videos in the Loving Kindness Journey series, and you'll be part of a community committed to growing kindness, peace, and presence together. And if you want to dive in right now, just click on Stage 1, Planting the Seeds, Loving Kindness for Yourself in the playlist, or the link in the description below. Remember, kindness begins within, and every small step matters. Thank you for sharing your time and heart with me today. May your journey be gentle, and may you discover the boundless kindness that lives in you. Until next time, take care and be well.